Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale game ye-semi-final Carling sidlala ne-Richards Bay. Before ngingena egemini, I wanna speak about things ezihlukanisa i-team enkulu ne-team encane. Ngangikhona emabhida and I've observed ukuthi i-Pirates iyi-team enkulu and i-Richards Bay iyi-team encane. Nanoma kuthiwa ibhola lase-Africa ngilazi, but lokho ngangizokubona. We're starting with i-intensity ye-warm up. I-Bay yafika qane kodwa nje seconds few yafika i-Pirates, but ifika i-Bay oChina sebefikile vele groundini. Mawubuka la lesithombe lesi, la ezansi kubuya ngathi small like ama-reserve, and then phezulu kubuya ngathi abantu abazoqala starting, and then this is Richards Bay. Kubuya ngathi abantu abazoqala laba le phezulu labaya abuya ngathi ama-reserve, they are passing ball around. Ubonile umehluko ukuthi iPirates bekhona oRondo abawu2 la uRondo oyi1 laba abazongena amasabu, they are passing ibhola around. And then this is moments before kick off. Yabo bench lePirates, everyone is standing up including laba abayi2. This is a page just before igame iqale. Buka ibench lakhona hleli phansi including abo coach and everything. Umuntu oyimile nje uyi1 lo ozobisa iwoma before bengene, like ubone mangabe bezongena groundini nakhona usekolletha ama coin. Now back to igame. Approach coach was very beautiful. Ngongwami it was very balanced. Nanoma I don't think ukuthi uFandeni was supposed to uyiqala igame considering ukuthi usabuya kwi-injury, kodwa yo coach unama-reason wakhe. So i-game besingayiwina kalula first half if uNdaba was more clinical on the left. uNdaba kuleya game ubengekho up to speed man in terms of thinking inquma amele azenze egcineni, cause ubelivula kahle ground, cause I think iPirates i-operator on the left, they kill iside la right to allow uFandre noma uLebito ukuthi bapush while bezodlala ka left. So now into engiyibona ukuthi iPirates uma ufuna ukuyidlala noma ukuyidla kumele uthathe isinqumo esi1 ukuthi uzoyivumela ukuthi iku-attack. Mawungafuni ukuthi iPirates iku-attack uzodlala i-low block, because now into abayenzayo is qoba khona ama center back ayi2 bekusibisi noMbokazi, bese kuba khona uMbatha, he was more like a 6 with 3 lo, bese ama wing back o2 uFandre uNdaba before ibhola iqale sebekuline we-center. Kusho ukuthi ke njengoba sebevulile ground, uApolis will cut in, uMoremi will cut in, uNemtanjela will move forward, or more like a double 10 benombule, and then create inumber phambili ukulekelela uMbothomi. So this means ukuthi iPirates will always have an extra player. uNdaba was always extra, so bazo overloader ka right lapha uApolis. As the moment uApolis ezo collect ball, i-left back yabo number 47 ubeyahamba eyofuna ukumpress. So njengoba sebeshiftile kusho ukuthi lamba center back awu2 including i-right back must shift to the left. While beshifta to the left, uNdaba will be free. uNdaba couldn't finish. Okay. I-game plan engibonile ukuthi iBay ifuna ukuthi unumber 37 ufanele uZulu. Wow, what a player. Ubehlala noMbule. Like uMbule ubekunzema ukuthi centrally akwazi ukupenetrate. Ubeze aye on the side ukwazi ukuthola 21 lapha sekhona ivolley, but it wasn't something getting. So iyona into abayenzile first half. Okay, sathola goal because uMhango I think sekuphelile lapha asekho lutho, uyahluthuka wenza everything. So first half I think game besingayewin. Coming in ku second half yabona bafethu lo coach ekuthiwa uPape Zothwane bafethu wafika imagesi yashisa ukwiBay manje iyashisa bafethu iBay. Before ngingene mhlawumbe kwiBay ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama coach wabo uZothane, ngikhulume ngama players abafethu. Yo, what a holding midfielder bafethu uZulu ugqone number 37. Yo, I think wayedlala wadlala na kwi-Royal M. Yabo uma ukhuluma ngo number 6 oyi-star, this player ngizoyiposta i-video after le. ngikhombisa ama-movements akhe before like ibhola lingekho, indlela awina ngakhona ama-jewels, indlela like iPirates could hardly thatha ama-shots because ubehlezi khona this boy is something else. Yo bese kubulo lo uya ku-Pirates, lo una-28 njengamanje, lo uya ku-Pirates umgcineka, believe me. No Bhodlela babenjenganaye, he will be something else lo odlala iBafana because wow, like kunale bhola le ecishe uqabe khona ipenalty la khona uMotizwa challenge uChaini, ujike uMbuthuma last man wakhipha ipass, like indlela acontrola ngakhona i-team, i-physique yakhe uyafela noDennis something else. Abanye ngikwazi ukubathola ngokwethola, but khona unumber 14 westrike ongenile, amarana kade wenza, indlela kade echange ngakhona uTLB, ama-jewels, ama-first touch nayo yakhe ngizoyipost. So I think mina ngongwami i-man of the match was u-Apolis, indlela kade esebenza ngakhona defensive wise and offensive, including i-assist ayenzile. So second half u-Apolis drop back before the kick-off, and they knew it's hard so defender ke la. U-Apolis ubesidlala like more like a right back. From ukubuya I was like, okay, kuzonzima. Into engithandile ukuthi we can play under pressure, we can play under suffer i-baby singena mfethu, but we didn't concede ama-fouls silly. We didn't fight like i-team ayixabananga, ucoach wenza ama-sub wafaka uKwayiba, but we still played, we could have scored amanye ama-goals. So this is how i-mentality engithanda khona. Ngithanda i-teamwork, ngithanda like ukuthi the more like a family, they can fight for each other. I don't like ukuthi umbule every game kumele angayidlali yonke, because mentally ingamshaya ukuthi hayi vele mangidlala okay elokhu ebheke sizophuma yini. But on the other side, coach might save him because ubengadlala umbule eteamini yakhe and iligi saphansi ukuthi singaluza yena. So it's either way. Anyways, we won the game, and uMoremi ngingasho naseqaleni ukuthi is not like your winger, the person who dribble. No. This one is a goal pusher, like uyi-winger direct. Mbeke eduze kwepali uzokora phela. So basically indawo yaka left for me uyayiwina, because uRele there's no way ukuthi singambeka lapha njengamanje. This boy is doing well. uRele benopolice bazodlala like double 10 like as ama-invert. Ngawubuza futhi umbuzo uSaleng something yini, something okay something, but I don't think uSaleng will come back and fit ngiyabuka amagame aSaleng bamdlesa is more like a striker njengamanje, but ngazi bafethu, you tell me. Danko.